feeling high.
If you haven't heard of this already, it's the AirHawk Pro. It's an air compressor that inflates car tyres, footballs, rugby balls, kids' inflatables, swimming pools, anything like that. And I've been doing a lot of woodwork during the lockdown. And one of the things that is frustrating is having things like sand or sawdust in your work tools, especially with being outside with the kids. One of my sons have got like a little sand pit, and it's quite frustrating. Sometimes the wind blows, it gets everywhere, and you're either spraying it with your jet wash or something. If you're doing woodwork and you've done a lot of sanding, it's difficult to get the sawdust off your piece that you're working on or out of your tools. And I watched other videos where they've got the big coils, the industrial size air compressors, and they're too expensive. They're like 300 quid upwards if you get a decent one, and then it takes up space, and I haven't got room in the shed. I literally woke up thinking about this one morning, and I thought, well, I've got the AirHawk Pro, so why not use it? Does it work? So I stuck the right nozzle on, charged it, and here we go. It's blowing the sawdust right out of the project I'm working on. So it's a handy little tip. It's a good little device, and for all you woodworkers out there who are on a low budget, this is about £50 or 50, 60 US dollars. It's a magic little device. If you've got one already, it's perfect. If not, it's great. Go and buy one.
I'm feeling